All right, buenos dias. So your afternoon assignment is going to be to work with saying where you are from versus your nationality. So when you look up here at the top, you see soy. Soy is I am. You're going to use that with nationality. My example, yo soy americana. I am American. You're going to use soy de to say where you are from in terms of an actual country and not a nationality. My example, soy de América, I am from America. So adding the word de means from. As you go through the list here, you're going to see the names of countries versus nationalities. So all you're going to do is put in a little text box. Argentina. Argentina is a country, whereas Chileno is a nationality. You're basically going to be able to tell the nationalities by the fact that they end in O or A. That's indicative of the gender, whereas the countries are probably going to be capitalized and stand on their own. On the next slide, you're going to be filling in the blanks using some info from the prior slide. This is saying Oscar is from something. He is Ecuadorian. So if I go back here, I can see that if you are Ecuatoriano, you are from Ecuador. So I'll insert my text box and I'll put that in there. Again, the prior slide's going to help you here. The last slide is just simply indicating which it should be. Should it just be the form of ser, as somos, son, soy, or eres, or should it also be the de from? So again, if you see a country, and I'm just going to use the underline feature, if you're going to be from a country, you're going to say es de. Whereas if you are a nationality, you're just going to use the form of ser. So you can use the underline feature or something similar, whatever works. Okay? Any questions? Just reach out for help.